They are names we will never forget. The 6 innocent students and staff members at the Covenant School who were gunned down in cold blood last March.
Since then, a legal battle has been brewing over the killer's journals.
Until there's a final court ruling, these documents are concealed from public inquiry.
Well, tonight we know a Supreme Court appeal is out. The legal lines are drawn, and finally the fate of those writings will be decided. The Covenant families who don't want journals released will be allowed to testify.
And as News Channel 5's Nick Barris tells us, the path is now finally clear for a much anticipated trial.
Davidson County Chancery Court here in the building behind me is where the legal battle over the Covenant documents will now take place. Now the question is when? Well, there is a very good chance the trial will actually occur near the anniversary of the March shooting.
There's every possibility that it could happen before the anniversary date of the Covenant event.
Attorney John Harris represents the Tennessee Firearms Association, one of 5 plaintiffs suing for the release of the Covenant shooters' so-called manifesto or journals. Parents of Covenant students want the writings sealed forever.
For the parents, this case is literally a matter of life and death.
A lower court agreed the families should have a say in the case. Harris and the other plaintiffs considered appealing that decision to the state Supreme Court, but then decided against it, wanting the case to finally move forward. Harris understands the emotions Covenant family members must feel over such a horrible event, and that releasing the journals could be hurtful.
Well, is that a reason, as a public policy matter, that you want to prohibit news agencies or the public from knowing why something happened?
That will be the key question at trial. There were 3 pages from the shooter's journal leaked late last year to a conservative talk show host. It's certainly possible there will be more leaks to come. It remains to be seen if the reported thousands of journal pages will ever legally be released. So a trial will likely happen soon here in Chancery Court, but the question is, if the plaintiffs actually win, how long before any of those documents may actually be released? The answer to that is years, because there's going to be more appeals. Nick Barris, News Channel 5.
And a decision on a trial date could come from the Chancery Court within the next 60 days.